Wise Wednesday, brought to you by Coachella Valley Water District.
As we all know, we are in the fall season. That means temperatures are going to start to cool. Lorraine Garcia of the Coachella Valley Water District was here to tell us all the ways we can conserve water this fall season.
Plants and grass don't need as much water in the fall and winter as it does in the summer. And we have what are called water budgets. And so those water budgets change each season and each month, actually. And so if you want to stay within that water budget, we need to cut back the water. You can have grass, it's just about watering it efficiently. So there's new generation nozzles that are more efficient to water your landscaping, where you can adjust the arc so that it's just not spraying all over and into the air. You could get a smart irrigation controller, and we have two different ones. One is free and the other one is a cost, but it's a little bit smarter, and you can use your cell phone to control it. And you can also, especially checking for those leaks. That's always a big one. But you can have grass. It just needs to be watered more efficiently. And then during the more fall and winter season, you could let it go golden and not overseed. One storm event doesn't really change the fact that we're in a dry, arid climate, so we always have to conserve. But talking about changing weather patterns and El Nino, so it may be a little bit of a more wet winter, and so keeping that in mind and turning off those sprinklers and saving it for a dry day is something that we can do. And also the high winds. Whenever we have high winds, our landscaping is not getting watered by those sprinklers, so turn them off. And another thing is, if you see a broken sprinkler in your neighborhood, maybe let your neighbor know, or if it's somewhere in the community, you can always report the water waste, and we will contact them to see if they can fix that.
Again, for more information on how you can conserve water this season, or if you want their water schedule, you can go to the Coachella Valley Water District's website. That's CVWD.org. We'll be right back.
Water Wise Wednesday, brought to you by Coachella Valley Water District.